Hello, I am Rahul Sen and our team BPIT eDevs are participating in IEEE Hackathon and our project name is Shared Notes. Let's jump to our app. It is an Android app. It is built in Java and Kotlin and we have used Firebase as a backend. So let's open our app. As you can see, this is our app. Okay. Let me just close it again. This is the intro page. It will just show the version name, and whenever the user is logging in, it will just show temporary account as first, and user have some restricted features that the user can use. As for now, user can only upload personal notes and photos and document to the personal notes. A user cannot create groups or cannot manage groups or cannot be an admin of a group. User cannot interact with another user group as for now. So for those to interact with these features, the user have to log in using this sync notes feature. So first let's log into our app. This is the login page and it will ask that if you link with existing account, the data of this temporary account will be deleted and you can no longer store it. If you want to store it, you have to create another account. So let's say I don't want to store any data of this temporary account because I have much more important data in my pre-existing account and nothing much importance of data is there in this temporary account. So I will click OK and then Google One Tap sign in. This pop-up will open and it will ask me to sign in to this application using the accounts that I have used previously for this application only. So I have used these many accounts for this application. So let me just log in. It will just automatically sign me in and it will just show all the notes that I have saved. So let's see what notes I have saved. In this note, we have like title, note content that are mandatory. These two are mandatory in every notes as for now. And I have also uploaded a document, a PDF file. So let's view this. As you can see, this is the PDF file that has been opened in my phone. And if I have to change this PDF file to some other file, I will click on change document. I will, let's say, upload this, and after it has been uploaded, then we can proceed to save notes. Let's say I have to add a new photo also. For currently, a note can only have one photo and one PDF file as per backend restrictions. So let's take a photo. This is just save, and if I click on save image, the note has been updated. And to cross verify it, I have opened the same image and it will show the image here, and we have also can see the view document. If I click on view document, this is the document. This is the image that has been uploaded successfully, and we can also view the document and it will now show the updated version. Now let's check another one. If I create a note here, Demo app. Let's add a photo from gallery and add a document too. The note has been added, and if I click back to this, I can view the document. This is the document that I have uploaded, and I can also see the image that is currently being loaded. This is the image. We can see it in the full screen. Okay. And apart from this, we have created a WhatsApp group features. In this, the user can create a group. Let's say demo app name, and in group ID we can add the email ID of this person, and email @gmail.com, and just click on save. It will show demo app name, and if I click on this, it will also show here. This person has created the group, so it is now the admin of the group. As for now, we have only one admin per group, and the one who has created has all the right access to remove or add person, or can just abandon the group. Admin cannot leave the group because it is a group admin. Group admin also has only the feature of adding the person or removing the group. So let's say I have to remove this member. I click on this add mail @gmail.com. I have removed this person, and it will automatically show here that the group has been abandoned. If I have to delete the group, are you going to delete this group forever? I said yes. Okay. So this group has been deleted, and all its content, all its notes are deleted also. Let's say I have joined this group, and I can see the notes that has been created by different members. If I click on info, I can see this has been created by me. This has been created by me, and this has been created by, I think, another person. Okay, all of these are created by me. Let's jump to another note, another group. Let's say test. Okay, test doesn't have anything. So I have these thing. Okay, let's create a group here. We have created the app here, and we have also stored here. So if I click on this, let's add a demo app. Click save. It will also show here, and I'll go Dexterous. It is my other account, this one. And if I add the note here, it will show to other user also. And let's say I have to delete this node, but I cannot because I am not the author of this node, but I can delete this one or edit this one. So we have applied the restrictions. But if I say delete this node, it is also deleted here. But if I click on edit node of here, I cannot edit this one. Because I am not the author. This is the group notes, and apart from this, I have already told you sync notes. Sync notes only basically have logging in and signing up for our app. Log out means logging out of the app, and it will just signed in again with a temporary account that has been provided by Firebase. And let's say we have this user profile, section, and in this we can just see our profile or change our picture. Let's say I have changed this to this image and uploaded. It is asking for phone number. It is now changed, and if I click on this, the profile has been changed. Same, we can just rate this app, or we can share this app if it is linked on Play Store, but it is not yet live on Play Store. So these are the feature of our app. Thank you for our time. Bye.